All right, so we're trying to solve for x here. We have 8 to the x equals 16 to the x plus 4. Step number 1, make the bases the same. You got to make both those bases the same. That's the crucial deal on these. Bases must be made the same. Well, how are you going to do that? It's going to be 2 or 3. Just guess on your calculator. You go 2 to the 3rd, you'll find out that's 8. You go 2 to the 4th, you'll find out that's 16. So this is, let me change my color here. So this is 2 to the 3rd, and this is 2 to the 4th. Don't forget to bring down the x. And don't forget to bring down the x plus 4. So that makes sense? So the 8 became 2 to the 3rd. And the 16 became 2 to the 4th. Okay, so now that's step number 1. Step number 2, set the powers equal. So I can say this power and this power must be equal, right? Because once you've made the bases the same, if 2 to one of them is equaling 2 to the other, those powers have to be the same, or 2 to the one of them wouldn't equal 2 to the other if they were different powers, right? And so you know how to solve this, right? Distribute 4x plus 16. The x plus 4? Oh, you're right. Thank you. I'm totally missing this one up. This is x minus 4, isn't it? Thank you. I don't know what I'm thinking there. It's x minus 4. I totally missed it. Thank you. That should be x minus 4 there. Thank you. So then that's 3. X minus 4. Yeah, thank you. So that was a mistake. So this is x minus 4. So when I make 8 2 to the 3rd, then this distributes. And so I get 3x minus 12. Very good. And now, how do you solve when there's x's on opposite sides? You remember? X's on opposite sides. Do the opposite. Of one of them. It doesn't matter which one. Just do the opposite of one of them. So I'm going to go, I'm going to come in here and go minus 3x like that. Boom, boom. And then finish getting x alone. Subtract 16 from both. Boom, boom. X is minus 28. There we go. So let me recap, having done it correctly now. So the first step is to make the two bases the same. 8 is 2 to the 3rd, 16 is 2 to the 4th. But don't forget the x minus 4 like I did and the x plus 4 that are there. And then distribute. Well, then we set the powers equal. Once you have the bases the same, then you can say, well, the powers have to be equal. If 2 to one of them is equaling 2 to the other, powers have to be equal. Distribute. Subtract 3x from both sides to get rid of one of the x's, and then get x alone. And there we go.